Going to question 7. Here we have a vocab or word choice question. And for these, you want to invent your own word to fill the space before looking at the answer choices. That forces you to read a little bit more deeply. And if you do need vocab help, you can go to gratefultestprep.com and click on the vocab tab. So let's start reading. This province was situated on the Pacific coast, hundreds of kilometers southeast of this other city, the capital of the Aztec Empire. Because its location within the empire was so blank, cacao and other trade goods produced there could reach the capital only after a long overland journey. So here we're hearing about something that is so blank that things could only get there after a long overland journey. And so if something can only be reached after a long journey, it must be really far away. And let's look at the answer choices here. A says unobtrusive. To be obtrusive is to get in the way. So unobtrusive means it doesn't get in the way. And that's unrelated to the idea of being far away. Concealed, I know from working with students, is something that people tend to pick here. But to be hidden is different than being far away. So here it said it could only reach there after a long journey. If it were concealed, then maybe it would say they could only reach it after searching for a long time, something like that. So not the idea that it's hidden, but the idea that it's far away. Approximate means we're generalizing. So for instance, if I'm not quite sure if the number is 15 or 16, I might say 15-ish, which would be approximating, and that's different than what we're looking for here. And peripheral actually works. For instance, your peripheral vision is your ability to see out of the sides of your eyes. So in this situation, imagine there's a map here, and here is the country that's on the map, and something that's peripheral is going to be near the outside of the country, far away from everything. So the word peripheral does kind of fit the idea of being far away, and the answer here is D.